All right. Okay, guys, we're trying to go fishing. Got Anthony here, the Bream master.
Look at our fishing spot.
Absolutely
It's
flooded. It's been raining pretty heavy here. We're underneath this gazebo, which is good. Bit too far to cast though, but what we're going to do is put our rods out in the water and then run back here in case it starts raining. So the idea is to go and get some fish in this miserable weather. I should have bought a jumper, but I reckon we'll have a good time. Maybe half an hour's work.
Yeah.
Right, so the absolutely flooded our spots there. You can't see it from here, but the boats are on the water. The tree line, it's all flooded, so the fish might be in close. And I know here's a bit of a drop off. We're pretty safe. This is good, oh yeah. I reckon the fish should be pretty close. That's your gun. I don't think we need the poles because this is all hard clay. And there is a drop off here. We don't have to cast too far today.
Yeah, just look at our fishing. This is our fishing spot. All this.
Yep. So I'm just going to plonk it down there. Hang on.
Oh yeah.
That line out, that's it. Good job. I want to come all the way over here near the near the tree. Here, this is the rod holder mechanism.
Sure?
Yeah. Ah. Oh.
Yes, it is.
Let's use all the technology.
Technology? The more technology, the more better.
Yeah.
Oh no, dog, I left my line.
That's all right. Oh, I'm getting taps. Me. I am.
I'm not because I have a bumpy line. Nah.
I think I think the bait's been taken. Oh.
I think mine too, I don't know.
Yeah, bait's been taken. So we're just using up chopped up coral prawns. Can't find the river prawns here. Just put in a little piece there for the hook. The shell on.
Why are they gone?
Oh, I'll reel it up. You never know. I'm just going to cast it out in those bushes there. No need to cast out far because the water's so high. I reckon the fish will be close in. Good job. Quickly bring it back.
What?
Bring it back here.
Yeah.
Here. Don't get wet. Just like that.
Oh yeah, so the line doesn't get bumpy.
Got the birds there. They're going for the trees, bit of rest spot for themselves.
Oh, just the grass and the water is.
Look at that, they just ransacked. Bit of bait left. So obviously there's a lot of small fish, the yellowtail grunters. See if I can jag one. Let's have a look. Yeah, they're just taking the bait.
Oh,
No bites?
I just felt beep beep.
There's a lot of beep beeps. Whoop. Yeah, the bait's still there, barely. I might just cast over here. Shit, even the lawn's underwater. Let's have a look here. Might cast over in this pool because the current's going that way, so it might be a bit of a whirlpool. Just saw a little splash there. Maybe that bird is doing poo over there, and it could act like a natural burley pot. Let's chuck it over up there. Yeah. A few birds up there. We're dropping stuff in the water. Probably fish are underneath it saying thanks for the free grub. Oh, a couple of taps. Ooh. You might want to stand over here. No, don't reel it up though. Yeah, so I put in almost a full prawn out here. I've burled it up here. It's starting to rain. Let's get back under our campsite here. It's raining. Abort.
What's that sound?
It's rain. Quick, abort, abort.
What?
Come back here.
What does a board mean?
Abort means stop what you're doing, come back. Let's cast from over here. Oh, your bait's all gone. This is a fresh bait.
What?
They ate all the meat around the skin.
What? I know. Poke it through the meat is better.
Yep. You got to poke it through this
Side.
shell for the other side. We're going to call it. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
So we're going to call it before the weather really picks up. I've got some footage of myself and Anthony getting a few bream here about a few weeks ago. So that's
Now?
fishing, trying to get out and stop playing those computer games. What do you reckon? Stay tuned and watch Anthony clean up.
Yeah. What? Clean up for what?
Fish.
Oh yeah. I'll get mine.
Yep. Get mine.
First time using.
Oh no, this is your one. Yours is the bigger one. Yours is the bigger one.
Okay.
Right, you hold on to it there.
Oh.
Let's fish over here.
Oh yeah, this is better.
See ya. Right, so I'm just going to cast over here. Oh, sorry, birdie. Whew. He's right.
What the?
Yeah, right, just leave it like that. That's it, time the drag. Stop, 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 stop. Fish on? He's come off.
No. He's off.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, you missed a good one. That's a fish.
Oh, that looks good, Dom.
Yep. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So we got first fish here, could be a little baby bream. He's pointing that way. And he went from right to left. A few little head shakes. That's what we got. What do we got here? Yeah, we got a bream. Got a bream target species. Good little fighters. Small specimen. Easily released. I'll do this. Easily released. Alright mate, let you go. Bit of a drop off here. Gentle. Yep, he's good. Whoa! That's a huge Megatron fish. Now we can go home.
Baby. Could I take it up?
Yeah, you can release him, yeah. Here.
Okay, I know how to release him.
Just grab him like that.
Why does he have blood on him?
It's the hook. Alrighty, thanks for coming.
But there's bait on here.
You're on again. Another one. That must have been the same one. Holy moly, that's bigger than the last one. Look at that.
The bait is still out.
My goodness.
Did I catch it one more?
Alright.
I did the trick as I did last time.
You did the trick, did you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, Dom, is it good? Leave it.
Oh, let me fix it up.
That's why I was wondering. Why did I say that? Good.
Pretty slow, and we're just about to pack up. Alright, show us how it's done.
Okay. So first you cast wherever you want, like that. And then you wait until there's one bite, you reel once, and if the bite is hard, you reel more. So see, I just feel, and then you feel a hard bite. Every time it bites, you can reel. Watch what's going to happen. See that fish?
Mmm.
That was a hard bite.
Get a couple of bites.
Swimming. Spit.
Oh, that nearly. See you next time.
Bye. I caught two, you got one.
Yeah.
Make sure to